Hello, hello. Good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. It is like 6:30 in the morning here in Australia. It's Monday. And we're about to do a driveway over here. And we got the old crew back. We got Lance, Simon, and young Ethan. We're going to do a big exposed driveway. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. And we'll go and say hello to the boys. Let's go. All right, this is the job we got today. Big driveway. We suppose. Look, we got Simon. Yeah, Simon. We got Lance over there. Hey, Lance. Hey, buddy. And Ethan. Good times. We got Derek over there. This is Derek, one of Derek's houses. All right, Simon's just wetting the ground down. So give us a bit of time. It's got cracker dust underneath it, so it's all pretty even. It's all definitely even. Lance is laying chairs out, and so is Ethan. And I was just laying some as well. But we're back in the truck stop, so we can't lay too many chairs. That's how we put the chairs out. Alright, let's go. Alright, concrete's here. About 6:40. 10 minutes late. Lance is on it. Alright, it's 7:14. And we've got that bit under there in. We're starting the driveway now. Simon's just doing that little bit. Beautiful work, Simon. We're going to put a pad in the middle here. We've got pins all the way along in the centre for our heights. Alright, let's go. Okay, it is 7:40. We've been going for an hour. We've got 2 trucks in. Looking good. Simon's doing this side, I'm doing the other side over there. Probably went one big screed, but nah, why do that? Why push ourselves? Why push one dude? Cruise along. Good time. You hate it. Alright, I'll let it go. I'll get some mud in here. Alright. It's 8:15. In this great state. And we got most of it in. Let's get the plus at the end. Go. Boys on the stick trowel. Stick troweling her up. So this exposed, like we're saying, we just stick trowel it. Spread it nice and flat. And the stick trowels can do everything else. As long as we can reach it, we can with the stick trowels we can do it with a stick trowel. It's all about just keeping them stones nice and flat. Beautiful work. Lance up here. Yep. Okay. Alright. Now wait for the next bit. Is it nice to stick trowel? If it's a bit wet, it's not. A little bit of bleed water is good sometimes when you do exposed. Alright, it's 8:24 and the plus is here. Let's go. Lance is on the Fresno. That groove down there. Beautiful work, Lance. No, they're pretty heavy, these ones. You don't want to get on too early. Beautiful. Yeah, boys. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Okay, it's 20 past 9. And Lance is doing the actual, alright, it's 9:15. Yeah, you went overseas. You got sent back.
You know, Matisse and Donovan wanted to go over there.
Yeah, we should. It'd be good for you. Yeah.
Donovan's like, you can come and stay with me anytime you want.
Yeah.
Friend.
Yeah.
I made good friends with
Yeah, I helped Matisse jump that jump.
Yeah.
With his shit suspension on his bike.
Did he show you the step up I made?
Yeah. Oh, he jumped this other jump at this motorbike track. It was like a fucking 80-foot fucking jump.
Yeah.
But that was
Did
not.
he take you down the back?
No.
You should see some of the inclines you got.
Yeah,
Is my bike still there?
I think so. Is it? Oh, I never seen it.
Hiding behind the shed.
I didn't see it. I haven't seen anyone riding it either.
Oh,
I thought your one was a blue one.
hey?
I thought you had a blue one.
Green and red.
Ah.
Two, but I saw one mixed around.
Oh yeah.
Could you imagine Mr. Tanner and that one?
Oh, snap
I seen
himself.
him the other day going out with it on.
Yeah, he rides around everywhere with it. I don't think he just drives around with it.
No, he was filming it out at the turbo over north.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's filling up what I see him doing. That looks good. Looks
And then he
good.
went and bought all riding gear, right? And it's all the
Beautiful.
identical riding gear to what I got.
Ah.
No word of a lie.
Alright, it's 10 o'clock and we've just been doing some stick trailing. So I'm just sugared that bit over there, that's why it's all wet. He's going to come over here and sugar over this side. He's going to sugar this little bit actually, there's a little dry section. No more stick trailing then? It's all pretty good. Maybe this end bit, that's it. Hey Lance, probably just stick trail that last bit again and that's it. Yeah, this is all good here. All looks pretty good to me. Simon's got the spray bottle. Electric sprayer in the wheelbarrow. Lawrence style. Oh, jacked. Hey, look, hey, did you see Ryan got hooked up on the wheelbarrow? Going down a hill, he must have dug in and he got flipped over the wheelbarrow, over the handlebars. It hurt him a little bit. Alright, so someone's going to spray a little bit of sugar on. Hey, we'll be out of here by 12 o'clock. 10 o'clock now. All good?
He's been getting an alley.
Jump for the house, I think. Don't jump, you're gonna jump. You'll hit your head.
You reckon?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Oh, ninja. This ninja. Get him the thing, Ethan. Have you been jumping that, Lance? That gap?
Yeah, I've been going around.
Yeah, I thought so. Oopsie. Well, you made it anyway.
Yeah, you got back along the legs with me.
I was worried about him hitting his head as he jumped through. Like, imagine that. What?
It wouldn't matter, it wouldn't hurt.
Yeah, I probably fallen straight to starving it too. Alright. The sugar it all up and then we'll wash it out. We got 10:30. And it's all been sugared, just this last little bit needs to be sugared. He's gonna sugar it. Simon's sugaring it all again. Sugaring it twice this one. Sugaring it twice is good. As it works its way in, it starts drying. I'm going to catch up to the next bit. Put another layer of sugar on if you're worried that the top's going off too much. Anyway, let's rip some pegs out. All the way down to here. All good. All good. Let's go. Alright, Ethan's taking the screws out. He's had the day off school, Ethan. Just to come and help us. Farmer's running in the background. He's got to make some sugar. I still can't run. That's it. Go, Ethan. Nah, I waved to him. Nah. Dun-dun-dun. Good work, Ethan. Alright, he's got to go around and do the rest of them. Only a few more to go. Good work, buddy. Hey, what time is it, Ethan?
Wash up time.
Washing off time. Alright, cool. We're good to go, let's go. Let's get something happening. Waiting to wash off, we're about to start washing off right now. And Derek just locked his keys in his Bobcat. And the Bobcat's running. How do you do that? Didn't even know that was possible. Oh well, Derek, you learn. Alright, let's go wash off. Coming off beautiful, Lance. Look at that. Luscious. All falling off. All the water's falling the right way. Don't want a broom yet? Alright, we're brooming off. We're washing off. Coming off beautifully.
Unplug that lead.
Looking good. Had a heap of people message me lately saying, "Oh, we tried the sugar, it works really good." Yeah. You know, when I wasn't talking to you, man, I had a bloke from Brisbane ring me telling me the quality of our work is just, they've never seen anyone trowel the way we trowel. He wants to come up here and learn it.
Oh, I got heaps of people want to come and just work for a day for free.
And then I had blokes from
Melbourne.
I had a bloke from Early Geek bring me. I've been watching the videos, man. The work you're doing is just phenomenal. I want to come and work for you to get a job.
Yeah.
Oh, no, man. I could never afford to get someone to bring me around a decent job. Then you've got to keep
All that bit's good. I'm just waiting for the next bit and that's it. Alright guys, that's the end of my day. The driveway is done. They just got a little bit to wash off at the end, but I'm not sticking around for that. It'll take a little bit longer. They're actually setting up around the back as well. I just helped them do that a little bit, so they're going to pull tomorrow here as well. So, but I won't be here. I'll be with someone else. So, no good for me. But Ethan wants to say goodbye. See you, Ethan.
Bye.
Thanks for your help, mate. You're always a good help. He's had a day off school just to come and help the Concrete Ninja and the boys. Hey, mate.
Yeah.
Good shit. All right, we'll see you all. Make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. See you, Simon. See you, Derek. Good stuff. All right, bye, boys.
When the delivery driver asked if you're the Concrete Ninja, bro, do I look like the Concrete Ninja? You got a present. I don't know who it's from, but maybe we should play a little game. Hide and go seek. Where is it?
Concrete Ninja. Opening her package.
Oh, so exciting.
What do we got? Yeah, master finish.
I can use them for the cakes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What's this thing?
Nice.
Oh, it's for the bull float thing?
That's a stick trail.
No. Well, that's disappointing.
Open this side up.
No.
You can use that trail.
What can we use the trail for? Ooh. Gloves.
Goodies. Nice. Thanks, guys.
Ooh.
Yeah.